Today on Flame Jack, I'm going to unbox this box, and what's inside this box should be some rear quarter window louvers. So let's go check it out. First thing, just cut open that tape. It looks like a pre-used box, or the taping job is really crappy. One of the two. Open it up. There's that. Some tape, it looks like. And then packing paper. And that's all that's in the box. So let's take a closer look at these. See if they're worth the $20 on eBay. Because that's how much they were. Initial thought, it's just a piece of plastic here, nothing special. It doesn't look the greatest. It's like just like a black plastic. It's not painted at all, it's just black plastic. It's a little like kind of like scraped look to it. Look at this one, same thing. It's just black plastic. Has a little bit of like a scraped, like a bare finish to it, like it's just bare plastic. And then they give you double-sided tape that supposedly is 3M. I don't know how much you can believe it, because this whole thing was 20 bucks and this is probably $5 worth of tape. Who knows, maybe it is, maybe it isn't, but now for the install. What I did with these is I actually plastic did them black because I didn't like the look of the plastic, and it actually looks pretty decent. And we're really going to find out once I put it on the car. And as you can see, I have the 3M tape all the way around it. Now, what I need to do before I just put that on the window is make sure I clean the window, and let's get to it. So now, peel back the film and then apply. So now that I got all that backing off, you just take it here, line it up with that window, line it up with the window. Make sure you line it up nice and good, because otherwise it's gonna look pretty shitty. That's all you gotta do. You gotta do it to the other side, and that was pretty easy. For 20 bucks, doesn't look that bad. You can't leave it in the stock finish. You have to at least do plastic dip, or maybe or actually paint it, because that stock plastic looked just ugly, and this looks a lot better. Gives it a little bit of a texture too, and for 20 bucks, I'm pretty happy with it.